Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how easy editing can be with LSP newborn actions. So I'm going to go close up of this adorable, beautiful client of mine. And so, the retouching of the newborn skin, it's really up to what you want to do. Obviously, we want it to look as natural as possible, and we'll just take away some of these little tiny flakes. So I'll use the patch tool and just kind of take away some big pieces. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to LSP Signature Newborn Action Suite. And there's so many different things you can do. I love to just do the newborn skin perfection and hit play. Now, when you do that, it takes a little while to load because it's a big fat action. Let's go over here to your brush and select a nice brush, and like all of LSPs, it's layered, so you can turn it on or off, and we just brush it all away.